Fast scalp strategy in 5 minutes. Hey guys, today with this video I want to teach you all thing about one fast scalp strategy that make high win rate and high reward. Stay with us until the end of this video for learning all thing about this strategy. Guys, for the first thing of this strategy, we want to search for one spike leg, like this area and this leg. For example, here too we have one spike leg uptrend. After that, with this candle and with all things we learning on this video, we can open long position here and put our stop behind this shadow, and we can make this reward. Guys, this strategy can make 70% win rate. Let's learning all thing about this strategy. For the first thing about this strategy, we want to see one spike leg like this candle, guys. This spike leg must to have FVG like this leg. Here you can see we have a space between this highest of this candle to lowest third candle. After that, we want to see this spike leg make higher low, guys. You can see we have higher low than the previous candle, higher low than the previous candle, higher low than the previous candle. After that, when we have 3 or 4 candle, we can open a long position or make long order on the lowest of third and fourth candle. For example, here we have the third candle. We can open long position here. After that, if the price doesn't came back, doesn't fill our order, we can open long position or make order long order at the lowest price of this candle. When price came back, we can open long position with this stop loss. We want to set our stop loss behind the first candle of a spike leg, guys. After that, we can make or TP make 2 reward. You can see our risk to reward here was 4.2, guys. Let's see example on chart. Here you can see we have a spike leg, which on the downtrend we want to see lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower high. When we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle, we can put our order, sell order behind this candle. After that, we can open short position here and put our stop behind all of these spike leg, the first of candle of this spike leg, and we can set our TP or target on 2 risk to reward. You can see we have good reward here. Here now you can see we have a spike candle here. We want to see price came back and hunt this liquidity behind the highest of this candle. We can open short position here and put our stop behind the first candle of a spike. Here too we have one spike like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candle, guys, for a spike candle with higher lows. When the lowest of recent candle was break with shadow, we can open long position and put our stop behind the first of spike candle. Guys, if price came back, we can add margin on our position at 50% of this leg, guys. For example, here, if our position was open here and after that price came back, we can open one position here for set our open like this. Guys, have a good time. Goodbye.